everyone, welcome to Prudent Media News. Let's have a look at the top stories. Police say Mickey is the prime suspect in Nadia death case. Cites 2 injuries with blunt and hard objects on Nadia's body. Suspect Mickey and Lyndon of destroying evidence. TV MLA Nilkant Alankar sworn in as minister on Tuesday. Nilkant says will try to perform within a short span of time. Prashant Ashtekar, one of the accused in Madgaon blast, surrenders before Sessions Court on Tuesday. Court hands over Prashant Ashtekar to NIA. Golden Globe booklet marks achievements of government. Prudent brings to you toppers and losers in Goa cabinet on the basis of the booklet. Sale of World Cup merchandise has been good, say traders. Spain and England jerseys in demand along with traditional Goan favourites Portugal and Brazil. And live screening of World Cup matches during AISM Football Fiesta in Miramar. 2 Goans can win tickets to World Cup matches. And now the news in detail. The reply filed by the crime branch in Madgaon Sessions Court has made some shocking revelations. Police have called Mickey prime suspect in the Nadia case. Second post-mortem on Nadia's body has revealed that 2 of the 8 injuries are caused by hard and blunt weapons. Crime branch has registered the case as culpable homicide not amounting to murder. Laukik Shilkar brings to you this exclusive report.
Details in the reply filed by the crime branch to oppose Lyndon's bail petition are startling. The reply has called Mickey a prime suspect in the case. The prime suspect in the case is Mr. Mickey Pacheco, who is presently evading remaining present for the interrogation and investigation. Police have also mentioned that phone and passport of Nadia are deliberately destroyed. When the house of the deceased was searched, the said mobile phone and passport of the deceased were not found in the house, so also the Retol paste tube. The evidence in the house and the room of the deceased has been cleaned up. The reply of the police have corroborated the news Prudent flashed 2 days back. Prudent had mentioned about 11 injuries on Nadia's body cited during the first post-mortem report. Following are the body parts where Nadia suffered ante-mortem injuries. Right forearm, left forearm, wrist, right half of lower lip, right thigh, right leg, left thigh, left leg, right arm, back of left shoulder and chest. The report of the second post-mortem conducted in the hospicio is even more shocking. The report suggests that there are 2 injuries on Nadia's body which are caused by blunt and hard object. 2 injuries are shown to have been caused due to hard and blunt weapon and are ante-mortem in nature. The reply also mentions that Mickey spent almost 40 lakh rupees on Nadia's treatment. It also says that Nadia was using 1 more mobile phone and a laptop. Police say that these accessories are deliberately made to disappear so far. It suspects Lyndon and Mickey of the important role in destruction of evidence. There has been systematic and sustained destruction of evidence, and it appears that Mr. Mickey Pacheco and Mr. Lyndon Montero may have a very important role in the destruction of evidence. The reply has also countered Lyndon's claim that he shares only professional relationship with Mickey. It has said that Lyndon is like alter ego of Mickey. Their relationship extends to personal intimacy. A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Farari.
TV NCP MLA Nilkant Alankar has been sworn in as cabinet minister on Tuesday. Mickey Pacheco had resigned after his alleged links in the Nadia Torrado death case. The vacant ministerial berth has been filled by his party colleague Nilkant, but his portfolio is not yet decided.
Nadia Torrado death controversy had compelled Mickey Pacheco to resign as a tourism minister. Mickey's exit had created a vacant post of minister in the state cabinet. Miki Pacheco and Nilkant Harankar are both NCP MLAs. Now this vacant post is filled by Nilkant, Miki's party colleague. Governor S.S. Sidhu administered him the oath of office and secrecy at Raj Bhavan. Sources say hard lobbying was ongoing for this cabinet berth between Congress and NCP, but finally Nilkant managed to make his debut in the state cabinet. Minister Nilkant Harankar expressed his happiness over his induction. He said he will try to fulfill people's expectations.
That I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties
that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duty
as a minister for the state of Goa.
as a minister for the state of Goa. So I have to realize what my experience was, what the hurdles I had faced, and what the hurdles are the next coming young friend of mine in all of Goa. Then I have to encourage them, I have to with them, with my experience, and I give my outcome to them.
But tourism is with NCP, no?
Yeah.
It has to remain with NCP.
No, it will remain that the two parties communication understanding.
Tomorrow, if Miki is innocent, you will vacate your seat for it.
If High Command says, and I have to do what is there for me. See, I am not behind ministry.
A delegation of BJP headed by opposition leader Manohar Parrikar met the governor S.S. Sidhu on Tuesday, few hours before the swearing-in of Thivi MLA Nilkant Harankar. Parrikar briefed governor on the scams in the current government.
भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या शिष्टमंडळान आमी गव्हर्नराची सकाळी भेट घेतली 10:45 पण जी कितें सगळें नाट्य हें जाली प्रकरण त्या प्रकरणाच्या पार्श्वभूमीचेर आमी गव्हर्नराक काही गोष्टी लक्षात हाडून दिल्या. हांव फक्त तुमकां कितें लक्षात हाडून दिलें तें तुमकां सांगता. एक आमी तांच्या लक्षात हाडून दिलें की एक्सायजाच्या मामल्यान जे गोष्टी आमी परत परत विधानसभेत आनी अन्य मार्गांच्यान सरकाराक लक्षात हाडून दिल्ल्यो तातल्यो काही गोष्टी स्वता सरकाराच्या लक्षात आयिल्ल्यो आसा. विशय 2 हाय स्पीड रजिस्ट्रेशन प्लेटीचेर 12 मेक सुप्रीम कोर्टान निर्णय दिलो की सरकार लोकांच्या इंट्रेस्टान रिटेंडर करूंक शकता वेस्ट बेंगाल मॅटरान. मायनीच्या संदर्भात जवळ जवळ 2 वर्सां सातत्यान 20% रेव्हेन्यू लिकेज आसा हें दाखयता रेकॉर्डाचेर बाय शोईंग एक्सपोर्ट फिगर वर्सीस रॉयल्टी डेटा. अजुनूय डिपार्टमेंट सुद्दां कांयच इम्प्रुवमेंट जावंक ना.
A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Gandolkar.
Nilkant Harankar is sworn in as a cabinet minister in Kamath government. Nilkant is a TV MLA and has been in politics since 1986. Here is a look into the life and political career of Nilkant Harankar.
Nilkant Harankar has been serving the state as politician from 1986. He was Sarpanch of Kolwale Panchayat from 1987. He served this panchayat for almost 20 years. In 1990, Harankar was the North Goa Congress president. In 1995, he entered Goa Rajiv Congress after Dr. Willie's defection. He contested his first assembly election in 1997 on Goa Rajiv Congress ticket. In 2002, he contested assembly election on NCP ticket. He lost both the elections. In 2007, he got elected as Thivi MLA on NCP ticket. Nilkant Harankar was born on 18th April 1962. He got married on 6 November 1998 to Madhavi. He is 12th past. He has 3 daughters, Nitya, Vaishnavi and Gauri. Nilkant is a businessman by profession. With bureau inputs, Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent Media.
Time for a short break. Stay tuned for more news.